As the world celebrated the arrival of a man on the moon in 1969, China was barely dreaming of putting a satellite into orbit. Today, that same nation is creating space technologies that neither NASA nor the European Space Agency has managed to develop. What happened in the last few decades? How did China go from a laggard observer to the undisputed leader in multiple areas of space exploration? The transformation is so radical it's hard to believe. China hasn't just caught up to traditional powers, it's surpassed them with technologies that seem straight out of science fiction, advancements that are completely redefining what we thought was possible beyond our planet. In this video, you'll discover the 8 most impressive Chinese space technologies currently in existence. Innovations so extraordinary that by the time you get to number 1, you'll understand why NASA scientists can't sleep soundly. Number 8. Long March 5 rocket. Get ready to meet the titan that's turning China into the new superpower of space launch. The Long March 5 is not just another rocket, it's the workhorse that makes the Asian giant's boldest space ambitions possible. This 57-meter-tall monster can carry 25 tons into low Earth orbit. To give you an idea of the magnitude, that's enough to launch an entire space station in just a few flights. Its capacity surpasses most Western rockets currently in operation. But what truly makes it a technological marvel is a cryogenic propulsion system with YF-77 engines that burn liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. This 100% clean and efficient technology gives it a thrust of over 1,000 tons at liftoff. The Long March 5 has been responsible for historic missions. It transported the modules of the Tiangong space station, launched the ambitious Chang'e 5 mission that returned lunar samples, and sent the Tiangong-1 probe to Mars. Without it, China's space exploits simply wouldn't be possible. Its reliability has improved dramatically after overcoming early glitches, and it now forms the backbone of the most ambitious space program on the planet. Number 7. Tiangong Space Station. What China has accomplished in low Earth orbit defies all logic. As the International Space Station ages with no clear replacement plan, China has built its own state-of-the-art space station from scratch in record time. Tiangong is no copycat of Western technology. A revolutionary 3-component modular design that can expand indefinitely at 180 metric tons when fully assembled. This orbital marvel can house up to 6 astronauts simultaneously in conditions that surpass the comforts of the ISS. Its Tiangong core module features life support systems so advanced that they can recycle 95% of its water and oxygen. That means extended endurance without the need for constant refueling from Earth. Its solar panels generate enough energy to power a small city. But here's the truly impressive part. Tiangong is designed for a 15-year lifespan with the possibility of extension. It has docking ports for international commercial spacecraft, and China has opened its station to scientists from all over the world. It's the only new orbital laboratory built in the 21st century and represents the future of a permanent human presence in space. Number 6. The FAST Telescope. China has just proven that when they decide to build something, they do it on a scale that defies imagination. The FAST isn't just the world's largest radio telescope. It's a structure so monumental that it has literally redefined what it means to listen to the universe. At 500 meters in diameter, this technological colossus is so big that you could fit 30 football fields inside it. Imagine a circular structure the size of several stadiums working as a single, precision-engineered instrument. Nestled in a natural depression in the Wisher Mountains, the FAST can detect faint radio signals from galaxies trillions of kilometers away. Its sensitivity is so extraordinary that it can pick up a cell phone signal from the moon. But what really makes it revolutionary is its active reflecting surface made up of 450 triangular panels that are constantly adjusted by actuators to form the perfect parabola depending on the target being observed. It's like having a telescope that changes shape in real time. Since it began operations, FAST has discovered over 500 new pulsars, more than all the world's telescopes combined in the same period. It's detecting fast radio bursts that could help us understand the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. It's the most sensitive ear humanity has ever built to listen for the secrets of the universe. Number 5. Robert Sarong. China just demonstrated something only 3 nations have ever done in human history, successfully landing on Mars. But Robert Sarong didn't just make a statement, it rewrote what we know about the Red Planet. This 240-kilogram robotic explorer touched down on the vast plains of Utopia Planitia in May 2021, becoming the first non-American rover to successfully operate on Martian soil. Its 6-wheel design allows it to navigate terrain that would otherwise bog down other vehicles. What makes Sarong truly special is its cutting-edge science. It's equipped with multispectral cameras, ground-penetrating radar that can see up for 100 meters below the surface, and magnetic field detectors that are unlocking secrets about Mars' watery past. Its butterfly-shaped solar panels can be deployed to capture energy even during Martian dust storms. During its mission, it has uncovered compelling evidence of ancient liquid water in previously unexplored locations. Sarong has operated well beyond its planned 90-day mission, returning groundbreaking data that is changing our understanding of Martian geology. China has proven it can compete in planetary exploration at the highest level. Number 4. Einstein X-ray Telescope. Get ready to discover the eye in space that is revealing the most violent and energetic events in the universe. Einstein probe doesn't observe the visible light that our eyes see. It detects X-rays from phenomena so extreme that they defy our understanding of physics. Launched in January 2024, this revolutionary orbital observatory uses technology directly inspired by nature. Lobster eyes. Its micropore optics mimic the structure of these crustaceans' compound eyes, allowing it to scan vast areas of the sky simultaneously with unprecedented sensitivity. The Einstein probe can detect X-ray bursts from colliding neutron stars, black holes devouring matter, and supernovae exploding billions of light-years away. Its field of view is 60 times wider than previous X-ray telescopes. What's truly revolutionary is its ability to detect transient events, astronomical phenomena that appear and disappear in hours or days. It can alert ground-based telescopes in real time to cosmic explosions that we would never be able to observe otherwise. In its first few months of operation, it has already discovered dozens of entirely new astronomical events, including stars being torn apart by supermassive black holes. It's opening a whole new window into the violent, dynamic universe. Number 3. Growing crops in zero gravity. China is solving one of the most critical challenges for deep space exploration. How to feed astronauts during years-long missions without relying entirely on supplies from Earth. Chinese taikonauts have successfully grown rice, wheat, tomatoes, lettuce, and other edible plants in microgravity inside the Tiangong space station. But this goes far beyond a simple space garden. It's research that's critical to human survival in space. Their experiments have shown that plants can complete full growth cycles in orbit, producing viable seeds that can be grown for successive generations. They've developed optimized LED lighting systems that replicate the perfect solar spectrum for maximum photosynthesis. The Chinese growing system uses aeroponic technology where roots are suspended in nutrient mist, eliminating the need for soil and optimizing water use to levels of 98% efficiency. The plants grow faster than they do on Earth, in some cases due to the constant access to light and nutrients. But most impressively, they're studying how microgravity affects plant genetic expression, discovering varieties that could be more nutritious or resilient. This knowledge will be essential for establishing self-sustaining colonies on the Moon or Mars. Have you noticed that your tinnitus is affecting your sleep, focus, and mood? Have ours. Number 2. The Quantum Space Network. Get ready to meet the most advanced communications technology ever deployed in space. China isn't simply improving traditional satellite communications, it's building an entirely new network based on the strangest and most revolutionary principles of quantum physics. The MISS satellite, launched in 2016, has achieved something that seemed theoretically impossible: establishing quantum communications between space and Earth at distances of over 100 kilometers. This represents a technological leap so great that no other nation has been able to replicate it. Why is it so revolutionary? Quantum communication is literally unhackable. Any attempt to intercept the information automatically destroys the data due to the fundamental laws of quantum mechanics. It's absolute security guaranteed by the laws of physics. China has managed to transmit entangled pairs of photons from orbit, establish quantum-secure video conferences between continents, and distribute completely unbreakable cryptographic keys. They've demonstrated quantum teleportation of information through space. But here's the really shocking part. They're building a global quantum network that will connect satellites, ground stations, and eventually entire cities in an unhackable communication system. When complete, China will have the most secure communications infrastructure in human history. Number 1, the Hull ion engine. And now we come to technology number 1, the one that will forever revolutionize how we explore the solar system. China's Hull ion engine is not just another propulsion system, it's the key to unlocking the doors to deep space. China has created ion engines that exceed 20 kilowatts of power, setting absolute world records that no other nation has managed to match. These engines can operate continuously for years without stopping, building up speeds that would make traditional chemical rockets seem primitive. This engine uses electric and magnetic fields to accelerate xenon ions to speeds exceeding 90,000 kilometers per hour. Its efficiency is 10 times greater than the best chemical rockets, meaning it can reach incredible speeds using only a fraction of the fuel. Imagine spacecraft that can travel to Mars in weeks instead of months, or reach the gas giants in record time. China is testing these engines on real-world missions, racking up thousands of operational hours that confirm their reliability. This technology will make possible missions that today seem like science fiction: asteroid mining, colonies on distant moons, and perhaps the first interstellar probes. It is quite literally the engine that will take humanity further into the cosmos than ever before. We've explored the 8 most impressive Chinese space technologies in existence today, from telescopes that eavesdrop on the universe to engines that will take us to the stars. Each of these innovations represents a giant leap forward in the future of space exploration. What do you think about these technologies? Do you think China will dominate 21st century space exploration? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos on technological innovation.